Hello, welcome to the Tennessee Tech University Counseling Center website. We hope you enjoy our Digital Success Workshop series. If after the workshop you have any questions, please call us at 931-372-3331. And as always, if you or someone else you know is having a mental health emergency, please call 911 or go to the nearest emergency room. Thank you. Students have a lot going on in their lives: relationships, classes, family, money, all kinds of things to feel stressed out about. So many people wonder what they can do when they or someone they know feels anxious or depressed. Hopefully, this workshop on depression and anxiety signs and symptoms will help you in knowing what direction to go for treatment and assistance. Do you or someone you know feel sad or have hopeless feelings? Do you or someone you know feel tired and have trouble concentrating? Have a poor appetite or overeating? Experience difficulty sleeping or sleeping too much? Experience low self-esteem? Do you or someone you know become irritable or cry a lot? Experience reoccurring headaches and body pain? Have thoughts or attempts of suicide? If you've had several of these symptoms most days, or symptoms that last more than a few weeks, you may be suffering from depression. Depression symptoms look like what I just mentioned, to include loss of interest, poor sleep, fatigue, low energy, decreased concentration, agitation, restlessness, irritability, inactivity, feelings of worthlessness, self-hate, and guilt. These are all symptoms of depression. They can be some symptoms of anxiety that may overlap, but primarily this is what depression looks like. Concerning factors of suicide are feelings of hopelessness and helplessness. Psychosis can be experienced in severe cases of depression, but of more concern are thoughts of death or suicide. In terms of counseling, we usually look at functional impairment in terms of depression. So if depression is impairing your ability to sleep, to eat, to go to class, go to work, those type things, it could be a little more than sadness. In terms of treatment, therapy and medication are recommended. The number one recommended treatment for anxiety and depression is cognitive behavioral therapy paired with medication management that can be short-term or long-term. If you're interested in treatment for depression, you can contact the counseling center and we can assist you with setting up a triage appointment to talk about what is available for you at the counseling center. And the counseling center can also provide referrals to a medical provider. So depression can happen to anyone. It's not a sign of weakness, and it cannot be willed away. Living away from family and struggling to balance school and work or a traumatic event can all contribute to depression. It can be treated. You can feel better. The most important thing to do is reach out to help. 80% of those who reach out for help get better. And again, always take thoughts of suicide seriously. You can call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline at 1-800-273-8255. You can always come to the Counseling Center for support. And in any kind of mental health emergency, you want to call 911 or go to the nearest emergency department. Our after-hours hotline is 372-3331. Someone you may know may be experiencing signs or symptoms of anxiety. Have you or someone you know been feeling sweaty and shaky? Experienced rapid heartbeats? Has someone you know or yourself had a hard time relaxing, difficulty concentrating, trouble falling asleep or staying asleep, unexplained headaches or body aches? If any of those symptoms sound familiar for yourself or someone else, then you may be experiencing clinical anxiety. Clinical anxiety can be mild or severe. You can control mild anxiety by diet, exercise, cutting down on your caffeine intake, and avoiding alcohol. But if you feel worried all the time, extremely uncomfortable around people, sudden burst of panic for no reason, you may have an anxiety disorder. In which case, you're welcome to come by the Counseling Center for a consultation appointment. The Counseling Center can also assist you with referrals to local medical providers for treatment. It's important to remember that you are not alone. Many people experience anxiety and or depression at some point in your life. General rule of thumb, if you're experiencing symptoms 2 weeks or longer, it may be time to reach out to a medical provider or the counseling center for a consult. It is, again, important to remember we all feel sad, worried, afraid from time to time, a day or two, a week or two, or a few hours. But if you're experiencing shortness of breath, sweating, heart palpitations, nausea, any kind of fear, even numbness and tingling, physical stomach pain, chills, or hot flashes, you might want to reach out and get a consult or a referral for treatment. In addition to anxiety, panic attacks can occur to those who have extreme anxiety. Remember, that's a fight or flight response. It's uncomfortable, but it's usually not a medical emergency, although it is recommended that you see a medical provider if you have a panic attack. Again, the counseling center can give you a referral to a med provider, or we can offer some short-term brief therapy at the counseling center. If you are experiencing symptoms of anxiety and or feelings or thoughts of suicide, again, the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline is 1-800-273-8255. Please feel free to contact your counseling center at 372-3331. Never hesitate in a mental health emergency to call 911 or go to the nearest emergency department. And again, our after-hours hotline is 372-3331. Always feel free to contact the crisis text line. You can text TN to 741-741. If you have more specific questions and concerns regarding anxiety and depression, you may contact the Counseling Center website at www.tntech.edu/counsel for information. We also have online screenings at our Counseling Center website that are free for you to access, and you are welcome to bring the results to the Counseling Center for a consult. And if you have general questions, feel free to contact the Counseling Center at 372-3331. Thank you. Thank you for watching our Student Success Digital Workshop. If you have any questions, call 372-3331. The Counseling Center is located at the Rhoden University Center, room 307. Our after-hours crisis hotline is 855-206-8997 or 931-372-3331. If you're experiencing crisis, you can also contact the Tennessee Crisis Text Line at TN 741-741. Thank you.